Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
A neural network maps inputs to outputs using layers of weighted connections. Think of neurons as simple functions that pass signals forward. Use a training dataset with labels, for example 10, 000 images or 50, 000 rows of tabular data. Split data into 80% training and 20% validation to monitor progress reliably. Choose an architecture, for example 3 hidden layers and 128 units, each for a starting model. Pick an activation like ReLU for hidden layers and softmax for classification outputs. Initialize weights randomly and use a learning rate of 0. 1 to start. Choose an optimizer such as Atom or SGD with momentum for effective updates. Train with batch size 32 for 100 epochs and monitor validation loss after each epoch. Apply regularization like dropout at 0. 5 or L2 weight decay to prevent overfitting. Use cross-entropy loss for classification or mean squared error for regression tasks. Save checkpoints every 10 epochs to safeguard training progress and allow resumability. Evaluate with accuracy, precision, recall, and a confusion matrix on separate test data. Use calibration methods and threshold tuning to balance precision versus recall for your use case. Quantize or prune the model for deployment to reduce size by 50% and improve latency. Test performance on target hardware to measure throughput and memory use. Deploy using a REST API or export to ONCs for cross-platform serving and integration. Monitor live performance and retrain periodically with new labeled data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.